Hi, I'm Nick from HRFmotorsports.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install the 2022 Husky FE501 whip mount made by HRF Motorsports. First, you're going to remove the exhaust bolts. Take these two bolts out, store them away, and then you're going to take the HRF whip mount and it's going to slide. You've got to separate the exhaust a little bit from the subframe. Slide this up inside there like that. Then you're going to reinstall these bolts. Then you're going to get your T-handle or 8mm. Reinstall those bolts. And there you go. HRF whip mount installed on a 2022 Husky FE501S. Stock turn signals, stock exhaust, everything's stock on this bike. It's brand new. So it does work with the blinkers. Okay, when you receive your HRF whip mount from HRFmotorsports.com, this is the ones for the KTM and Husky 19 to 2022. Comes with the whip mount itself, a sticker, and some extra hardware if you need it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to install the HRF quick release flag holder onto the HRF whip mount bracket. These are both sold separately, so the pictures usually show them together, but they are sold separately. So just loosen the bolt from it, slide it in the whip mount holder, and whip mount bracket, and then thread it on. And tighten that with a wrench, slide the flag in, and you're good to go.